Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're testing out TikTok DIYs. I filmed a couple of these videos in the past. I've done fashion DIYs, I've done art DIYs, I've done a bit of a mix, so I thought I'd bring that video back and do an updated version. If you think of anything along the way that I haven't tried out and you would like to see me try, then let me know in the comments. I would be more than happy to make a part 2. I'm going to make a bowl from a, what's this called? A record. I was going to call it a Polaroid record. Getting my words mixed up there. I'm going to do this by putting it over an oven-proof dish and putting it in the oven for 1 minute at 200 degrees Celsius, centigrade, whatever you want to call it. And apparently this is super easy to make, and it's also really cheap. Obviously I'm not going to be using a new record, so what I've done is I've gone to the charity shop, I got a bunch of records for 50p each, and I use them for different DIYs. I put the tea in the fridge to make it cool down quicker, and it's all cool now. So I've got the tea, I've got some card, and I've got this little drying station. What I've done is I've got a baking tray, a cooling rack, and some kitchen roll laid over the top. So the kitchen roll will absorb the tea from the paper. I'm going to do them in quarters, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna literally just rip. There we go, I think that looks a little bit better now. So I'm going to do the same thing to rip up the rest of the paper, and then I'm going to put it in the tea and then put it out to dry. Okay, so I've decided that the baking tray and the cooling rack underneath was not necessary. The paper seems to be enough to soak it up. So once I drew out the designs that I wanted to paint, I mixed some acrylic paint with some water and coloured in my designs. Once that was done, I used a fine liner pen to go over the designs, and that is literally it. These are so cute and they were so simple to make, and they are also what I'm giving away in this video. So if you would like to find out more information on how to win some of these, then keep on watching. Hello. So for this next DIY you're joining me in my bathroom, and that's because we're bleaching photos and I don't want to risk getting bleach anywhere else in the house and then having troubles. So if you're going to do this DIY, please be careful, take the appropriate measures. I will be wearing gloves for this, and I should probably also be wearing long sleeves to be honest, but I've got clothes on that I don't really care if they get bleach on them. For this DIY you will need bleach, photos, clear nail polish, and please wear gloves as well. So to start off, I'm going to use some clear nail polish and paint over the parts of the photo that I want to stay the same. For some reason this prevents the bleach from ruining parts of the photo. So I'm going to go through these and put some nail polish on them to do that. I am going to put my gloves on. I know for a fact these gloves are too small, but safety. So let's start with these first. So my favourite DIY from this video would definitely be the tea stained paper painting things. I think they're so cute. Hi, please forgive how I look. I know I look really rough, but it's giveaway time, so you can't mock me. Okay, those are the rules. So I will be giving away these 3 little paintings to someone who is subscribed to my channel, follows me on Instagram. My Instagram is on screen, and comment something with a sun emoji to let me know you'd like to be entered in the giveaway. If you want to comment your Instagram, then go ahead. It will help me find you on Instagram because that's where I'll be contacting you. If you don't want to comment your Instagram, that's also very understandable. I will just respond to your comment and get you to message me, so keep an eye out for that. You have 1 week to enter. That means the giveaway closes on the 2nd of February, and I will be contacting you in the next day or 2. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video next week. Bye!